This tutorial teaches you how to add a Discord user to your personal friends list, phone, or tablet. You can easily send a friend request to any user if you know their unique Discord tag. They will be instantly added to your friend list as soon as they accept your request. Open the Discord app on your phone or tablet. You can use the mobile Discord app on all iPhone, iPad, and Android models. Click on three lines at top left. Next, click at icon on bottom. Tap the Y figurehead and plus icon on the top right. Enter your friend's Discord tag into the field. A Discord tag is your friend's username followed by #, number sign and a unique 4-digit code. Click the Send Friend Request button. The user will be added to your friends as soon as they accept your request. Now I will show you how to accept the request at my other account. Next, click at icon on bottom. Click on the request and accept it.